Hello and welcome to 3D Print Passion. Today I like to show you a two-colored filament which is looking a little bit like a toothpaste. And this is how this filament looks like. If you look in front of it, you see the two colors, which one of them will be in focus. If you move the view angle a little bit from the right to the left, you see how the colors are moving from blue to green. And this is exactly what happened if you do a 3D print with this filament. On one side you can see the blue color, and by moving the Benji around we will see now that the color of the Benji will get more and more into the direction of green. This is amazing, and this gives a lot of possibilities for beautiful 3D prints. Look, this awesome pirate with its shining green and yellow effects of this filament, which are really unbelievable. Of course you can see a little bit layers more than with standard filament, but this will not be a problem if it's only placed somewhere and looks like a decoration part. You see only the colors in a Mac. Also this beautiful crocodile here, which I have printed on an Ender 3S1, is really unbelievable in this reflection of colors by bending the build plate. You see that already, how the filament is shining blue or green depending on how I bend that build plate around. Yeah, and what is really interesting on that little crocodile, I will show you in the next scene. Of course it's a print in place 3D print, but yeah, this little printout do have holes on its feet and on the tail and on the head to place inside that holes little magnets. And with these magnets you can put this crocodile, for example, on a fridge or something like that. And this is how this magnet looks like. This is a standard magnet where you can buy more or less everywhere. I will place a link down to the description. They are very cheap and easy to get. And you can place these magnets, of course, also in your own designed objects to use them as a fridge magnet to hold your notices and papers and what else on place. To place that magnets permanently in the holes, I'm using super glue to hold that magnets very good in place. And this is how I use my crocodile. I placed it on a glass door where my printer is standing inside, and to keep that thing placed on the glass door I did also use magnets on the inside of the glass side to have a good fix of this crocodile. And yeah, it holds very well, and the magnetism is hard enough to keep that thing really good on place. Also this little pencil holder do really have a funny shiny glow, and what could match better to this filament as a chameleon? You see here, like we already see on the Benji, that the one side is green, and as more this chameleon will turn around, as more and more blue it will get. Yeah, very nice effect, beautiful, and I really enjoy that kind of filament we can see here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, thanks to give me some comments and thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching the video. I wish you happy printing.